Here we sit in 2022, the bear market. And you may be wondering, what coins are good to buy right now, right? Which ones are going to do well for the future over the next market cycle and maybe even ones beyond that. Now, Shiba Inu is one that comes up quite often, right? It's a well-known coin, a lot of questions about it. And I think there's some parts of Shiba Inu that people maybe miss sometimes because Shiba Inu is expanding right now as we speak. And it's come a long way from its journey where it began as just a meme coin. And it's important to know about all the parts of Shiba Inu and what is happening, what is, already come and what is to come if it's something you're thinking about holding. Now, Shiba Inu was originally launched as a meme coin, right? Direct competitor to Doge. It was supposed to be the Doge killer, right? Well, it's kicked that meme coin narrative, and now it has become a community token. It is now based around the ecosystem that the Shiba Inu developers continue to build. And there are many parts to this. So, for example, they launched a decentralized finance platform DEX, trading tool, which is Shiba Swap back in 2021. They launched an NFT collection, Shiboshi, back in 2021. There's now a development of the SHIB metaverse, which is, all over the news right now. Tons of developments regarding that. And one of the other leading things that is happening as well is the launch of Shibarium, the layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. Now, there's even more beyond that, right? If we get into the game, the burn mechanisms, the SHIB burn credit card, all these sorts of things are, huge for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. And it's important to note that ecosystems are probably going to be some of the most successful things moving forward. Now, that being said, obviously, like it says below, this is not financial advice, right? This is, more so speculation, but people want more from cryptos now, right? Your meme coins, they kind of had their time, right? Single utility coins, they kind of had their time. People want more, right? They want full utility. And Shiba Inu is providing an opportunity to touch pretty much all the different areas of Web3. There's not a lot of things out there doing that right now. And that's why Shiba Inu is setting itself up, above what other projects are doing right now. And that's why Shiba Inu continues to have strong fundamentals. That's why whales are holding Shiba Inu in large quantities. Right now, the 100 largest Ethereum whales, Shiba Inu, top 5 holdings, right? And that's, if you look at basically all the coins, right? If you look at Ethereum, if you look at stable coins, everything, right? So it really just sits behind stables and Ethereum itself. So there's something happening with Shiba Inu right now, and it's definitely worth taking a look into. Is it worth holding? Me personally, I think so, right? But I want to hear what you guys think. Definitely comment below. Share your thoughts with me. I think Shiba Inu has an opportunity to really go far as we continue into the next market cycles. But as always, this is not financial advice. Definitely do your own research when it comes to this. I just want to obviously keep you guys updated and informed, because then that way you can keep luck on your side, just like me. If you haven't already, do show your support for the ClearCryptos channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. You can stay updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel, and there's new content live for you every single day. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I really hope to catch you in the next one.